Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I got a rug for inside my front entryway. So I want to do something that'll pick up some of the goop and dirt and stuff. I don't want this to be wet and muddy and gross. So this is what I got. Let's check it out. So this is the brand there. I guess here's the instructions. That vacuum regularly, wash it in the washing machine if you need to. But this is it here. It's nice big mat with not a huge pattern on it, just a big line around it. But that is going to be in front of my doors this afternoon, hopefully. But that is it. So it looks cool, and it's like terry cloth, like a kind of like a bath mat-ish thing. And on the back, it's got rubber stuff too, which is good, so it'll keep it from sliding around. So that is cool. So I'm looking forward to keeping my front entryway nice and clean as we get to the muddy, gross, disgusting winter, especially when we take the dog for the walk and stuff like that. She comes in and she's gross. But this is it. Very cool. Thumbs up.